In this video, I'm going to talk about no formula data cleaning tools in Google Sheets. Most of them are in this data tab here. So we're going to start off with one of my favorite ones, and that is remove duplicates. This is super useful, and you can remove duplicates from a single column or a collection of combined columns. For the first example, I'm actually going to pick all the columns. So I want to go to data cleanup, then remove duplicates. I'm going to pick that the data has a header row, so just to know what I'm looking at, and then I'm going to select them all. The reason I want to show you this is because I have one of the columns with a slightly different email but the same customer ID, and you can see that 3 duplicate rows have been removed. But if I undo this, go back in, and instead just choose one row to pick my duplicates on, that's going to be my customer ID, then all the duplicate rows get removed that have a duplicate customer ID. Next thing we're going to look at is the very useful trim whitespace. This is mostly used if you get your data from a database, something like that, and there's some data inconsistencies or whitespace. Just trim whitespace, and that white space is yesterday's news. The next one we're going to look at is text to columns. As an accountant, I use this a lot, and what you can do is just go to data, split text to columns, and then you can either detect automatically or choose a custom separator. I'm choosing pipe operator here, but I could have also choose the minus symbol, and that will give me a different split. So this is super useful for just splitting up those text to columns. Next one we're going to look at is find and replace. So you go into edit, find and replace, and we can replace text with alternative text. So I want to change the name of this product Byte Phone, and I want to replace that text with new phone. So I just put in new phone here, and I can just click replace all, and that's all replaced. We can also do a find just to check that everything is going to be replaced is what we want to be replaced. So I'm just going to find every instance of that dash, and then I'm going to change that to the pipe operator, and I can replace all, and that'll just replace everything in there. No data cleaning list would be complete in 2025 without some mention of AI. So I've got a very dirty data set here, and with Gemini I can just say clean this data and create a new table with a consistent format. So what this will do is this will read that table into Gemini, and then it will create a new table where all the data is consistent. I can just press insert in here, and that is the power of Gemini, just to turn dirty data into clean data. This was a rundown of some of my favorite non-formula data cleaning tools in Sheets, all super useful and all stuff that I use on a near daily basis. Hope you found this video useful. Follow for more.